spacer pods to ensure proper contact of the pressure bars to the center line of the door frame. Loading the door frame. We will now adjust the side pressure cylinders to ensure adequate contact on the end of the stiles. The end pressure cylinders are rail mounted. The one floating cylinder is mounted to allow for pressure on a center stile if their application requires it. We will now rapid traverse the beam down into position by use of the rapid traverse motor located on the left-hand side of the machine. Once this position is achieved, we will then apply side pressure, which will allow the door to be squared in the machine against the left-hand squaring fence. And the door frame now needs to have side pressure applied by activating the hydraulic motor located on the right-hand end of the machine, and then it will bring the beam down into place. At this point, the door is securely clamped in the machine, and all we need to be done is to allow for proper glue curing time. If using wooden dowels, it usually is about 2 or 3 minutes maximum for the dowels to maintain their holding power, and then it can be released. The releasing procedure is, first off, to release the side pressure cylinders by way of the control panel. Second process is to raise the beam slightly with the hydraulic motor. Once the contact is broken, the rapid traverse motor can be activated to rapidly move the beam out of the way for unloading of the door. At this point in time, the door then can be removed. And the spacer pods can be changed positions depending upon if the door is, the next door to be clamped is a different size. If it's the same setup, then the spacer pods can be left in position. That is the Ritter Model R1200 hydraulic door clamp.